Hi, we have Adelaide here today. We're going to be doing a 22-inch clip-in set on Adelaide. She's a perfect match for the 18613. We're going to show you how to put them in. Our clip-ins come with extra large clips for added support. To apply your main clip-ins, you'll need a powder grip, some sectioning clips and a tail comb. To apply your first piece, take a straight section at the bottom of the scalp. Add some powder grip and back comb your section by placing your comb and pushing the hair back to the scalp. This is going to help support your clips and prevent slipping. Continue the same process with each piece. If your halo needs to be cut to blend, please see a professional stylist.